Hello, I'm going to show you this person's rota. You can actually see that somebody have amended it manually, and they would have grabbed one section and drag it down. And as you go through the weeks and the months, it will add 1 extra minute per turn. So if we go to 2021, you can see you got 01, 02, 03, 04, all the way to the end of year, which end up with the 12 minutes. So this person have done this. So I'm going to fix it at the same time, move this time to Monday. So I'm just going to grab this section here, copy it, paste it, Control Shift V. And then I'm going to copy it again, and then I'm going to turn the data around. Now, this particular week, the first week here is actually week 4 on the main tab. And so I have to take this and put it right at the end to make it work. Hold on. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this, Control X, and then Control V. Now I'm ready to grab this section here. Oh, okay, sorry. I forgot to move this up here, and I'm going to turn the 12 into 00. Yeah. Control H. I'm going to turn the 12 into 00. Okay. So this is done. Copy this. Now I'm going to pull it onto this person's rota. Control Shift V. Because this person's master tab, they haven't actually used it. You see, they have actually changed it manually on here. So I know that is actually wrong on there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy and then paste this column, copy and then Control Shift V, and lastly, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy all the holidays across like this. As you can see, this is ending in 06. This is and over here is 00. And if you actually go through, yes, and also I have actually moved the days around as well. So what I would do is I would make this column, instead of formula, I would make it text now. Control Shift V down, Control Shift arrow key down, Control C, Control Shift V. I have to do this quickly because I only got 5 minutes to show you. And the next step I would do is to transfer all of the holidays. There's 26 holidays. So like, for example, all the absences, you just copy and paste it through. Of course, normally I would make this a bit smaller, but if I make it a bit too small, you won't see it. So what I'm doing, I'm literally transferring all the holidays across. And after I've done this, I would delete this column. But you should really use the master tab and then copy this formula for it to read through. This is actually just a quick video to show you what would happen when you select an area and drag down. You literally add an extra minute onto it, and I'm just showing you how I would rectify it within 5 minutes. See here. Oops. Oh, okay. Copy and paste here. For the holidays. I've got 29 seconds left. If I actually make this a bit smaller, I would have finished long ago because I can see more. Anyway, I think you get the idea. Thank you very much. Goodbye.